Hey, I'm Kayla with WTI, and these little light bulbs from Sengled have made my life so much easier. Watch this. Alexa, turn on the south corner light.
Okay.
Ta-da! This lamp specifically is very hard to turn on and off. It has a button that is hidden under a table and it's just a pain to get to it. But utilizing these awesome light bulbs, I can do it with a simple voice command. I love that it is compatible with my Echo device and that I can choose which light I want to turn on. Now, this lamp has 3 different bulbs and I can turn on and off each different bulb if I want to. I also love that these light bulbs are dimmable. It provides such a nice warm light, but it's still bright enough to light up our room. We actually have these bulbs in 2 different light fixtures. What I love about these specifically is they are auto pairing. What that means is it was a breeze to install them. I simply put them into my light fixtures and opened my app and found the device. These immediately showed up in my Alexa app and I was able to use them within minutes. I honestly don't know why we waited so long to get these smart bulbs. These Sengled ones are so easy to use with auto pairing. They provide a beautiful light and I absolutely love them. But that's just my point of view.